CQ, Snake in the Grass, 219, Macintosh, 219, San Francisco Bay.
From the other side.
219er, Macintosh, San Francisco Bay.
Roger, stop placement. Outstanding.
219er, 219er, San Francisco Bay. 219, Macintosh, San Francisco Bay. 219er, Macintosh, San Francisco Bay.
Covered up, mate. You think it's covered up, mate. Not strong enough, but you're making it there. You're making it down into Aussie.
Snake in the Grass, 219, Macintosh, 219, San Francisco Bay.
I'm telling you now, they're a better unit.
Hey, Roger, Kiwi, I heard you, Kiwi, in there behind that guy right there, but good to hear you again in New Zealand. 219 Macintosh on the YouTube, my friend.
Thanks, mate. 500's like 1,000.
I heard you, little Kiwi. 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay. Check, little Kiwi. Thanks for coming back, man. I'm glad you could hear me down there in New Zealand, little Kiwi. 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay on the YouTube. Thanks, little Kiwi. At least I got New Zealand.
Yeah, I already worked one day, mate, and I got 2 days off. I worked yesterday, and then I got today and tomorrow off. Then I worked 4 days, and I got another 2 days off. And then in 2 months' time, I've got another 2 weeks off.
219er Macintosh, 219er San Francisco Bay. Hello.
No, going back to the South Island. Don't have to when the ships are all in there. That's too expensive, mate. It's a fair whack.
That's Australia and New Zealand, guys.
They're coming home to Australia in, when is it? August, end of August, they ship them back here.
219er Macintosh, 219er San Francisco Bay. 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay.
We've been there in the summer.
That dude don't hear me.
We want to go back in the snow and have a play, have a sled.
I heard the station call Macintosh. Can't hear you too well. 219 on the side. station calling 219. This is Macintosh. I hear you, but I don't hear your numbers. 219 Macintosh, San Francisco Bay.
I'll be back shortly and I'll go shuffle through the freezer. Yeah, Roger. Hey, before you go, what's the
This guy's covering up all my other contacts. I'm sure he don't mean it, but you know.